Let's make hand sanitizer at home. Hello my foodies, it's me again, CiCi. So as you probably already know that hand sanitizer have been sold out everywhere for a long time because of this COVID-19. So I bought a few ingredients that we can use to make hand sanitizer at home. Let's take a look at how we can make it. In a large bowl, we're going to add the 99% rubbing alcohol, aloe vera, and 10 drops of essential oil that you like. I'm going to use lavender oil today. And then we're just going to mix with a spoon until it becomes gel. So according to the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, the hand sanitizer needs to be at least 60% in alcohol in order for it to kill most of the germs. So the ratio of rubbing alcohol to aloe that I use today is 3:1 ratio. And if you feel like your hand sanitizer after you mix everything is still a little too thin, you can add a little bit more aloe. That's totally up to you because we still have 75% alcohol in here. Now we're gonna pour the gel into empty bottles. You can use a funnel. And also you can use store-bought bottles or anything that you have at home. Just remember to label it as hand sanitizer so you don't accidentally use it as something else. So yes, just a few ingredients. We can actually make all these hand sanitizers at home. I know that the color isn't very pretty, it's just white, but you can also get your own in different colors, like in green and pink and purple, yellow, anything that you like. But as long as they're useful and 99% killing germs, it is good for me. So when you use hand sanitizer, of course, when you open it up, you put it on your palm and then you just cover all your hands everywhere like this. You have to rub it for about 60 seconds. Just do it, including your fingers, your fingernails, and you do it until your hand feels like dry. So you just kill about 99.9% of germs. It smells pretty good, actually. I like it. And my hands feel like really nice and soft at the same time. Okay guys, so remember to comment below and let me know what is your way of making hand sanitizer. I know that there are also some natural way, but the CDC said that it is best to use alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Okay, but anyhow, comment below and share with me your way of disinfect, your way of making hand sanitizer, or just comment below and let me know how you are doing. It is a crucial time. I hope that we will all go through this crucial time together. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I will see you again in the next episode. Just stay safe, stay indoor as much as possible. Alright, bye!